Good morning, children. This is the sixth part of video on French Revolution. In this video, I will explain you about the two topics, the Reign of Terror and the Directory. So, first we go through the topic, the Reign of Terror. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the Reign of Terror, as Maximilien Robespierre, who was the leader of Jacobin Club, followed a policy of severe control and punishment. All those who were against republic or his method policies were considered as enemies, were imprisoned and then tried by the revolutionary court. On being found the guilty, they were guillotined. Or you can know the guillotine was a device invented by Dr. Guillotin and thus named after him. It had two poles and a blade with which person was beheaded. So you know very well that at last a opinion was organized against Robespierre. Though he do lot of good work also, as meat and bread were placed under rationing. Laws were enforced to make the peasants transport their grain to the cities and sell it at fixed prices. Restrictions were put on the use of more expensive white flour. All citizens had to eat the equality bread. It was a loaf of bread made of whole wheat. Equality norms were introduced in mode of speech and address. Traditional names, sir or madam, were put away. All French men and women were now addressed by citizen. So, all you need, whatever the problem of the Robespierre, the Robespierre has done so many good work, but the policy of severe control and the punishment is also a very horrible situation of the society. So, the year 1793 to 1794 is referred as Reign of Terror. If you go through the process, that means the Committee of Public Safety was the very soul of terror. It had 12 members with almost unlimited power. The committee organized the machinery of terror in order to meet the internal danger. So, this is the end of Reign of Terror. You go thoroughly with the topic and then prepare your note. My second topic is the Directory. The Directory was lasted between 1795 to 1799. Before this, You all know about the Reign of Terror. Now, the Reign of Terror came to an end with the executions of Robespierre. The convention drew up new constitution on 26 October 1795. The new constitution were provided two elected legislative council. They in turn appointed a directory, an executive made up of 5 members known as director. The system was adopted as a safeguard against the concentration of power in one-man executive. However, there were frequent clashes between the legislature and the executive, adding to the unpopularity of government. The rule of directory became more unpopular because of the ever-increasing suffering of masses and the defeat of France in the Europe wars. The people cared for a strong and brave leader who could provide them efficient government, prosperity, and victory against their enemies. It was at this juncture that Napoleon Bonaparte, a general in the France army, got an opportunity to overthrow the directory through a coup in 1799. Napoleon Bonaparte provided a stable government to France, and later he himself became the emperor. In my next video, I will explain about the Napoleon Bonaparte, the great ruler of France. So, goodbye.